Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today it's raining all over Japan. I don't know about Japan, but yeah, in Tokyo, in my station, everywhere it's raining. So the roads are wet and right now it's 8:15. So I still have some time to make a video. So I thought of making a video right now. I am near my office at Shibaura Futo. So if you remember that last week, my manager was telling me to become the trainer and I told them that I am not ready right now. And yesterday I was talking to my trainer and I told my trainer about the same thing, that the manager was telling me to take your place when you leave the project, and she told that it's not that you have to take my place, it's just that you have to contribute with your strong skills, the other person will contribute with his strong skills, the other person will like that. So I told her that no, the manager told me clearly that I have to take your place when you leave. So she said no, I think the manager is mistaken. And after 1 hour the manager called me to the meeting room yesterday and he told me that Nitin-san, the other day I told you to become the trainer and you said I'm not ready. I said yeah, and he said yeah, you are right, because we people of top management had a meeting. So he told me that we all came up to the conclusion that if we ask Nitin to become the trainer now, it will be very much difficult for him because it will cause a lot of pressure on him, and not only Nitin but to any other person in the team. So it is a lot of pressure on that person. So then I thought, yeah, I was thinking that becoming the trainer of this project is going to cause a lot of stress and pressure. So I was right, I was thinking on my mind, okay. And then the manager told me, so Nitin-san, we want to work with you, so we want you to contribute with your strong skills and the other person will contribute with his or her strong skills. Same thing the trainer told me. And then he said, do you want to work with us? I said yeah, I want to work with you. So he said yeah, okay, so let's go like this. I said okay, fine. So that's how this thing got sorted. When the trainer will leave, I don't know what will happen at that time, but yeah, for now we all will do like that. Okay guys, so I have got few comments from people which I have not been able to read in the video, so I'm so sorry for that. So let me read few comments. Yash Jan is saying that hey Nitin, you haven't accepted my Instagram invitation. We have got 2 long weekends, maybe we can meet in somewhere in Chiba. So Yash, sorry, I saw your message late. The weekends will keep coming, so we can meet anytime. You message me on Instagram, okay? Noid5645 is saying there's a proper way to dispose things like chair and furniture. You should probably talk to a Japanese person to know how it is done. So about this, tonight I'll go back home and then I'll tell you what happened about that chair. If you remember, I kept that chair near the dustbin, and then what happened I'll tell you when I reach home. So it's a very interesting incident, so don't miss.
Acha.
Praveen Saharan is saying that hello bhaiya, which seat should we choose on a flight to Japan, left or right window seat, to get a view of Mount Fuji? So yeah, this is a very interesting question. I'll definitely let you know, don't worry, keep watching my videos, I'll definitely answer. Guys, Ganeshan R is saying that I am 70 years old, 40 years of stenographer experience in secretarial in public sector in India. I am JLPT N5 level completed. I want a job in Japan in an office. I am healthy, no complaints. So when I saw Ganeshan sir's message, I was very happy that sir is 70 years old and he has 40 years of experience in stenographer and still he wants to work. So salute to his passion to work. So I think we all should learn from Ganeshan sir. And Ganeshan sir wants me to find something in Japan, but sir, I don't know of anything about a person who is 70 years old. Sorry if I'm being rude, but sorry, but definitely if I get to know something about any job which is for a 70 years old person, I'll definitely let you know. But salute to your passion, sir. And guys, the other day I uploaded a video in which I was driving a gaming car. Sujal is saying that what a driving, bro. Bro, I am from Delhi, so you know how people drive in Delhi. So I have real-time experience. What about gaming car? But when I can drive on Delhi roads, then I think I can drive anywhere.
Sharam hai kuch?
So one last question I'll take from Pramod Patil on this video, that भाई अपनी भाषा में बात करो, अच्छा लगता है कोई भी विदेश में अपनी लैंग्वेज, इंडियन लैंग्वेज में बात करे तो. Pramod, I understand your feelings, but if you haven't watched my why I make videos in English video, then please I would like you to go and watch that video. Not now, but maybe later I'll start to make videos in Hindi, but for now please let me make in English. I am sorry for that. So guys, now my office is going to start. As you can see, it's 8:30 now, so I should go and log in, and I will see you in the evening and I'll tell you about my chair thing, okay? guys, right now I'm at Kokoroya and there is one offer. So you can see here, one piece of Ringo, like the Seb, the apple, is 95 yen. So around 57 rupees. So I don't know what the current price of Ringo, the apple, is in India. So let me know the price of one apple in India if you know. Now let's go and see if anything else is there or not. So guys, this is the fish section and you can see here. Hi. Finally पहुंच गए. Guys, finally I have reached home, and yeah, in the morning I was telling you about, so the other day I kept this chair near that garbage area, right there I kept it. So let me shut the window first. Yeah, the day I kept it near the garbage area, the next day the share house manager, the share house which I live in, the manager of this share house called me up and she said, Nitin san, Nitin, you know, san, they place san after the name. Japanese people do it like that. So they said, so she said, Nitin san, did you keep the chair there? I said yes. She said, you want to throw it? I said yes. She said, can you give it to someone? I said no, its leg is broken, so nobody will take it. Okay, for people who have not seen that how its leg is broken, so let me show you. This is how the leg of this chair is broken. Then she said that you can't keep that chair there. I said okay, then what to do with the chair? She said that you have to throw it, you have to call up a person and he will come and pick up the chair. So I said okay, give me the number. She gave the number and I said that is there any money that I have to pay for picking up the chair? She said yes. I said how much? She said 1100 yen. Then I told her that I bought this chair for 500 yen. So she also started laughing and she said 500 yen because the leg of this chair is broken. So the seller gave me in 500 yen. In 500 yen it means around 300 rupees. So she said, she was also laughing. So she said you have to pay 1100 yen, means 660 rupees. So I bought it for 300, but just to throw it in Japan, this is the rule that you have to pay around 660 rupees to throw something like this. So yeah, I have to pay 660, but for now I am thinking to use this chair, but along with this, when I have something else also to throw, then I will call them up. For now I am not throwing this chair. So that's why somebody in the morning commented, right, that you should, what he commented, that there is a proper way to dispose things like chair and furniture. So this is the proper way. Yeah, you have to pay. So sometimes I miss India when these things happen, that I have to pay double the amount that I bought it for. So yeah, Shogun, I can't do anything about it. I think I have to pay, but yeah, let's see when I will do that. And yeah guys, in the next video I am going to tell you about few questions that people have asked me to ask to Japanese people. So very interesting questions people have asked me, which when I will answer, you will also get to know a lot about Japanese people and Japan. So I am thinking about asking some Japanese person who can better answer these questions. Make sure to follow to this channel, and yes, make sure to follow to my Instagram channel here. Not many people are following, so please do comment also. Very few comments are coming. I like it when people comment. Yeah, whatever it is, good, bad, it is very fun when I read your comments and when I reply to your comments, either through comments or in the video I reply, right, like in today's video. So yeah, do comment and make sure to follow to my YouTube and Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.